Working seasonal jobs in national parks as an antidote to depression. It really does give you a lift, boosts your mood, gives you regular hits of dopamine, serotonin, adrenaline, all natural, just by, number one, living in an inspiring place, number two, seeing a lot of wildlife, breathtaking natural beauty, three, spending time outdoors and on long hikes, 4, money easily stacking up in your bank account. 5, meeting and interacting with people of a similar mindset who are living life as an adventure. 6, looking forward to off-season plans and travel. It's difficult to be or stay depressed in these conditions. This lifestyle is definitely a natural dopamine creator.